Hi everyone, it's Mark at Search in Barhaven. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Chevrolet Traverse. Let's take a look. For 2024, the Traverse has been completely redesigned top to bottom. This will include the powertrain. So now you get a 2.5 liter inline 4 turbocharged motor that makes 328 horsepower and 326 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is able to tow up to 5,000 pounds. As you can see with the new Traverse, the interior has been completely redesigned. You'll get an 11-inch driver information center here. You'll get a 17.7-inch infotainment screen here, which has been very common on most of our new vehicles. New with the Traverse as well, you can now get Super Cruise enabled right here. Also as well, you can, for the first time, you'll get a panoramic sunroof, which is very nice, lets a lot of light in here. You'll also be able to get a lot of new safety features with this Traverse. So you'll get brand new bicyclist alert. So if someone's coming up, approaching from the left or right side, the car is actually going to beep and it's going to detect that for you. So when you're buying a Traverse, cargo is going to be very important to you. You have best-in-class max cargo capacity of 97.6 cubic feet of space. You can also power down the seats for second and third row to get that max capacity. Now let's not forget about the design. The 24 Traverse has been completely redesigned when it comes to the grille, the lights, the whole look of the car. You'll see LED lights here for your turn signals and your running lights. You'll see LED brake lights at the back, completely redesigned, and quad exhaust. With this RS trim, you're going to get 22-inch black wheels standard. If you're interested in seeing a Traverse like that, we have a few in stock, including this one here. Come on down to 3788 Prince of Wales Drive, take a look, take a drive, and we'll see you soon.